Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. Welcome back. Today we are doing today we are doing Mini Monday with just a few little minis, and we are going to use these until we are out of money. These little minis are going to go towards car payment, mortgage, and emergency fund. So I just decided that I wanted to do like a mini Monday to help me pay off these, to help pay off the bill, or talk, Jamie, to help me pay off my car and put a big dent into my mortgage. I've only got 3 years left on my mortgage, and I want to get it paid off as soon as I can. So right now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 to work on this. And I hope everybody is ready for Christmas because it's only 2 days away. This year has really flew by, and I am really hoping that 2025 is a lot better than this past year. So we are going to put one in here. And like I said, we are just going to keep doing this until we get to the end. Well, let me put my one here. Up. I don't know if y'all can see, I'm pulling it straight out. This one is going to get 1. The emergency fund is going to get 2. And we will just pull this out here. Did I put 1 there? Nope. See, I'm getting forgetful. So we are going to put 2 here. And I'll just put 1, 2 there. And we will back up and go again. This one is going to get 5. So I'll put that there. Can you hear Luna in the background? 4. Well, now I'm going to have to turn it because I can't write a 4 sideways. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Is everybody looking forward to the new year? 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 left. Should we try it? Yeah, let's go for it. Ah, good job. I won't never be able to do that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that one. So that is it for this one. I will come back later and put the money into them. Guys, I want to show you in my other little binder what I have done. My savings challenges have, I moved them out of the other binder. The other binder was just a little bit too thick. So this is what I've done. I have the coin challenge over here, and then the winter challenge, the Large and in charge is also going to go for car payoff. The little mini, or the little piggy row is going towards the mortgage. The birthday is going to go towards birthdays. Back here, I had to get this one off Lisa, because if you all know me at the Happy Mailbox Company, I love cats. I've got 3 of them. And then as a freebie, I got this one. So this 2025 challenge will roll over and go into this 2025 challenge. So I did change everything out. I fixed the envelopes to where they fit into this little savings binder. And yeah, so stick with me, because we're going to be saving some money this year. And of course, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.